Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of The Panel Guy. I'm Kevin Keane, and this week we're going to be talking to you about how a composite panel is made. There are two types of panel production lines. You have a press, which is the older style, traditional way, and there is also a continuous production line, which is the one which is more popular. This is the one that majority of manufacturers use across the world. Number of different types of manufacturers of the panel lines, like Puma and companies like that. But yeah, they are able to give you the technology that you see on site. The reason I wanted to explain more about how a panel is produced is because over the 30 years I've been in the industry, from time to time with architects and with contractors, you will get inquiries for 10 square meters, 20 square meters, 30, 40 square meters. The problem what you have with doing so is these panel lines that when they're continuous, they tend to be anything up to 150 meters long. And the process starts at the beginning where you have the coils, then it goes through the profiling, then you're going through to the adhesion, and obviously liquid forming if it is a PIR or foam type panel, or if it's going to be a lamella or a slab mineral wool type insulation. Then it goes through the adhesion into the press. Then it's heated, it's cured, obviously based upon the profiles of what it's going through. Then it comes out the other side, then it gets cut to the specific size that you need on site. And then when it comes to the other end, then it starts to be repackaged, put into the amount of packs that you require for delivery to site. Then it goes out to the yard where it's then stored ready for the trucks to be picked up and taken on the way. The reason I wanted to explain more is because of the production process, there is such a huge amount of wastage at the beginning of the process and also the end of the process. So if you've not got a popular color, a popular thickness, or popular type of insulation, then you're having a bespoke order. So if you've got like a special red or green or certain color which doesn't run very often and you only need 30, 40 square meters, it can get very expensive, that if it is possible at all, because there is such a huge amount of wastage. And we're now going to show you a video. This shows you the process going from start to finish, and then how it comes out the other end. Hopefully gives you a bit more of an understanding of these things. I would encourage you as architects, designers, main contractors, installers, speak to your local panel manufacturer, have a chat with them. Go and visit their production facilities. It is really eye-opening. I mean, I've been in the industry for 30 years, and when I first started, I thought I knew everything about construction. But then when you actually start to see the process from start to finish, way back when, nearly 30 years ago, working for a company called Parok in Finland, and when we used to watch the production of how the panels were made, it was such an eye-opener. So I would encourage you to speak to your local rep, your local manufacturer, whoever supplies your panels. Have a chat with them. Go and have a look at their production lines, and I'm sure it will give you more of an understanding. So I hope the video showed you give you some insights into the production of how a composite panel is made. I hope it's of interest. It is really, really beneficial if you can get to see your local manufacturers and see the production process. When you start to see from the coils all the way through to the profiling, then you can end up with certain things like this. You've got a trapezoidal roof panel, then you've got Obviously a different type of insulation, but then you've got a through fixed panel with the male and female joints. But this is all done on the line with the rollers, and then it goes through into the insulation. But yeah, hopefully that was very much of interest to you. If anybody would like to ask me any questions, I can discuss them every week, and I'll have some answers for you. If you'd like to talk to me about your panel, if you've got something unique or something bespoke which is different than maybe what we're used to seeing, please send the information in to us. We always want to learn about these new innovations. And if anybody has any questions about who to use, which panels are are available in certain countries around the world, please get in touch, because that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you. And yeah, if anybody has any questions, please let me know. Next week we'll be talking about profiles and insulations, those kind of things which you have here with the panel types. The week after we will be talking about the colors, the coatings, the different types of materials that are available to be used in a metal composite panel. Then we're going to start to get into the important things like certification. We're going to get into regulation, those kind of things. And then we'll also then start to talk about sustainable materials, sustainable methods. So when we get into like things like solar, the types of steel that are used these days. But of course, please, we're always looking to learn. Please get in touch. Please talk to us. Please help us. This is a service that we're providing to help our industry, and we're here to help. So hopefully see you next time. Take care. Bye.